Vocabulary quiz set 8.12. Helpful hints. Remember, skip around, do the easy ones first, cross off answers as you go, and then start with the back page if that is easier for you. Okay, for top half of matching, we have nimble, impassable, cringe, template, retrieve, and partition. A, to shrink back or hide in fear. B, something that divides, such as a wall. C, to find and bring back. D, quick and skillful in movement. E, blocked so that nothing can go through. F, a piece of metal, wood, etc., used as a pattern. In our second half, we have innovation, immobile, cascade, sinister, perishable, and onset. G, to flow downward like a waterfall. H, the beginning or start of something violent. And it doesn't always have to be violent. I, appearing evil or dangerous. J, likely to spoil or decay. K, something new, a change. And L, not movable. All right, part 2, fill in the blanks. In the word bank, we have cascade, cringe, immobile, impassable, innovation, nimble, onset, partition, perishable, retrieve, sinister, and template. Number 1, his blank fingers ran up and down the violin strings. 2, I cannot help but blank every time I get my teeth cleaned. 3, we watched the water blank down over the rocks. 4, the old house has had a blank appearance at night. 5, early in the morning, Sue awoke and she was shivering with the blank of fever. 6, thanks to the blank of the Wright brothers, we have aircraft today. 7, she ran off to her room to blank her book bag with the homework in it. 8, place all the blank food in the refrigerator when you get home. 9, after the storm, many roads were blank by fallen trees. 10, a thin blank separated the 2 rooms in the cabin. 11, instructions and a paper blank are provided by the teacher. And 12, the accident left her blank and she missed many months of school.